Good afternoon, everyone. I am Marian Chris de Guzman, representing APM 11 and 12. Thank you for being here today. We're not just here to see fashion, but to see how we can help the planet by rethinking how we use materials. Today's collection is made from used cellophane, plastic bottles, socks, used are for disposable paper plates, and honestly the things most people throw away. But we've made them into something new and beautiful. Used cellophane is now part of shiny creative design. Plastic bottles have been recycled into fabric to help waste. Socks have been stored into strong, stylish clothes. Used or for disposable paper plates are now unique pieces of fashion, and all CD tape are used to make accessories. This collection shows that fashion can be good for the planet. By reusing things we normally throw away, we can create something beautiful and sustainable. My advocacy is simple. By making conscious choices in what we use and dispose of, we can make a positive impact on our environment. Let's embrace sustainability in all aspects of our lives, including fashion, and work together for a cleaner, greener future. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Matt Andrew Studio, representing ABM 11 and 12. It is an honor to be here today to showcase a design that is not just a simple design, but a step toward sustainability. For today's Lego fashion show, we've used discarded materials like cardboard, plastic spoons, soft drink straws, paper plates, and bottle cups, turning waste into something beautiful. This creation emphasizes the importance of rethinking of how we consume and dispose of our resources. My advocacy is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Small actions like reducing plastic waste and recycling it can make a big difference into making a sustainable future. Thank you, and let's keep making eco-friendly choices for a better tomorrow. Once again, Matt Andrew Good Studio.
I am Chris de Guzman,
Representing MSC Business and Management.